So overall journey with HEXA'S Zindabazar was a lot of fun, and it was a best experience of my life. Hello everyone, I'm Sourov Ghose, and recently I have given my IELTS exam, and I have scored overall band 7, and my individual scores were 7.5 in listening, 7 in reading, 6.5 in both writing and speaking. And I was a student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. My batch number was HZ6824, and I was enough fortunate to get instructors like Zubair Mursalin sir and Dina ma'am. They helped us a lot throughout our IELTS journey, and they were so much supportive as well. The way they took our classes were so much fun and full of knowledge. The organization was so much close to my heart because the every moment I spent here was so much enjoyable and full of knowledge. And especially this, I would love to say about the speaking cares. Adrita Chakraborty ma'am and Abdur Rahman took our speaking care classes, and those were so much fun and knowledge. They helped us a lot to improve our speaking skills. So overall journey with HEXA'S Zindabazar was a lot of fun, and it was a best experience of my life. Thank you.